Hi friends, welcome back to another nail art video. If you are here for the first time, hi and welcome to my channel. I post nail art videos every Monday and Friday, and recently I have started uploading a new video every Wednesday as well, in which I share my favorite summer nail polishes. So please make sure to subscribe and also click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as my new video goes up. In today's nail art video, I am going to create this beautiful summer floral French manicure, which is really easy to create. Now before I get into the floral design of this French manicure, if you do not know how to easily DIY French manicure at home, I do have a video tutorial for this. I will make sure to link it for you in the description box, or you can also click on the info card on the top right corner of the screen. So the first step is to create these basic French tips. Then I go ahead and draw these cute little flowers to make my French manicure look even more summer appropriate. I start by creating 5 little dots using the medium sized dotting tool. If you do not have a dotting tool, you can also go ahead and use the back side of a toothpick. As you will see, I am using these really fresh pastel colored nail polishes. Most of these pastel nail polishes are from the summer floral collection from Revlon. All the details of the nail polishes that I used for this manicure will be listed down in the description box for you. If you get bored of the plain white French tips, then this is the perfect idea to add a little splash of colors to your French manicure. Now using a smaller dotting tool or the sharper side of a toothpick, create another small flower inside the bigger one that you just created. This is the easiest way to create flowers. For the smaller flower, use a color other than the color you used to create the bigger flower. This will make your flowers pop even more. What do you think of this manicure? Let me know in the comment section below. I think these beautiful pastel flowers make this French manicure look even more cuter. Now add a tiny dot right in the middle of each flower to complete the design. In the end, don't forget to apply a good quality top coat to make sure your manicure lasts longer and looks even more shinier. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe and leave me a like, as it would really make my day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!